Oh my god. Sorry guys for the bad signal. This is a camp TV station, I can't really get it well. Alright, TOR. Nice.
Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern Ford County in east central Illinois, west central Iroquois County in east central Illinois, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Chatsworth, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Piper City around 5:20 p.m. In South Carolina, and Greenville, Spartanburg, was most sunny.
What in the world? I was just, what in the world just happened? All I heard was Greenville, Spartanburg, and I'm all the way in Indiana.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.